Hello again. In this video we'll have a look at how we can combine cells in Excel. So in this example I've got three pieces of data that I want to combine. I've got a name, I've got a code, I've got a loyalty segment, and I want to put them all into one field over here. And the trick is we use that symbol there, which will be on the keyboard. So basically I've already done an example down here, so you can see the formula, but let's just follow along in the function box. So we go equal, and I want that particular cell, and I want something else. Now I've got a space down here. I got add a space. This is how I would add a space, like that. So I put those symbols in, and then I want the customer code, and this time I might add, just to show how it works, a comma. So I'm adding a space and a comma, and then finally I want the segment title, and there it is constructed for me straight away. And then because it's a formula, it can just get copied down. And like I said, that one was constructed differently, so I could overwrite that as well. Okay, so there's commas all the way through. So as simple as that.